Hello guys, this is time to create this character in Adobe Illustrator. First, I want to tell you this in this lecture we will focus more on creating custom shapes because we already talked about how to use available shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Now we need to create custom shapes because there is limited shapes in Adobe Illustrator, only 4 or 5 shapes, and we can't create very complex shapes, or we can see very complex files from those shapes. Then that's the reason we need to create our custom shapes. For creating custom shapes we have pen tools in Adobe Illustrator, and let's talk about pen tools in this lecture. Let's jump into Adobe Illustrator. This is time to create our first character in Adobe Illustrator. These are our recent files. I don't want to talk about recent files because we already talked about it in first lecture. Let's create new. I want to select custom. I think this will be good for our lecture, and let's click on create. This is our file. Here we want to create our character. For character we should have a reference because drawing a character without reference is very difficult, but some artists are able to do that. Then that's the reason I want to use this reference, and anytime you want to create a character then you can use a reference. But if you're a good artist and you can draw a character without reference, then you can do it. Let's start creating this character. This is the reference of our character. You can find the link in the description below. Let's start drawing. First I want to start it from its body, from here, but let's duplicate our layer. What does layer means? I already explained you layers, but for character layers are very important when we want to animate our characters in Adobe After Effects or in Cartoon Animator 4. Then there we use these layers. These layers are very important that time. Then we should separate every part of our character in different layers. First I want to rename it to ref, means reference, and after that I want to start creating its hair. Then I want to create a new layer and name it hair. This is our hair layer. In this layer I want to store my hair data. I want to lock our reference because we will not be able to select him. If we don't lock him, then sometimes when we are drawing, then we will be able to select him, and sometimes we will do some mistakes. That's the reason every time if you use 2D or 3D programs, I recommend you to lock your references. It's very important. Now it is not selectable and we can do our work very easy. Okay, let's start painting our hair. I want to select pen tools. Why we need pen tools? Because we don't have any shape like this. This is a custom shape, then that's the reason I don't want to select any shape from here, and we want to create our custom shape by selecting pen. See, I can draw here. Why I can draw? Because I selected a layer which is locked. You can see it here. Then that's the reason we can't draw anything here. I want to select our hair layer, and that was wrong layer. We should not draw our hair in reference layer. Then let's select our hair layer and start drawing. Just start from here and continue drawing. Click here, you can drag it and it will become very good. If you want it, see, we will have some problem here. I just want to click here and again click here, just drag that, you will be able to paint it very nice. Click here and I want to click here like this. See here, there is one problem, we can't click there. Then that's when we paste this problem, then we can click on our point, then now we can do it very easily. Now I want to click here and just drag like this. See, we have this white color. For now we don't want white color for it, because we want to change its color later. Then for now we want it to don't have any color, only have border color, don't have fill color. Then we want to select none for fill color. Then now it don't have any fill color. Later we will be able to make a fill color for it, a black color or any other hairstyle you like. I want to click here and like this. Again click here. Let's continue drawing our hair. Now we completed here. This is our hair. Just we were able to draw our hair, but now till now it don't have any color, and we can change its color and customize everything. Now let's draw its face, because first we want to draw everything here, and after that we will be able to create our character very nice, and we will be able to customize our colors and everything else, like add these kinds of things like these and many more. For now we don't want to add these things. Now we I think we have completed hairs. For now we will work a lot on hair just in some minutes, but for now let's draw our face. For drawing face, I want to create a new layer and name it face. I want to lock our hair layer, and as you can see face is down than here. Then I want to bring him down. After that let's start drawing face. I want to start it from here. Just you can draw face, because this is a custom shape also, by pen tools, and you can use it as you draw your face tools. Then I want to fast the process again, and you can draw your reference face as this. I want to draw it like this, because this place will hide in here. And let's complete it. This is our face. We have drawn our face also. Now let's work on drawing its body. For drawing body, I just want, but first let me create a very simple mouth here. We will create it very good in future, but for now it's okay. I want to come here and I want to draw its body. Then let's create new layer for body. This is body, and body is under the face. Let's bring it down, and I want to select body layer. See, all of our layers are inside that layer. Then let's select our body layer and start drawing. First I want to draw this place. Let's start drawing. Just very simple. This is a custom shape also. We want to use pen tools. See, this place is not visible because face will hide them. Then that's why I don't care about this area. let's select this place and complete him. After that, I want to draw this place. Let's start it from here and draw him like this. Okay, after that, let's come and let's draw this area. Start it from here and let's draw this like this. Now it is time to draw its clothes. Let's start that from this area. It also belongs to body. Let's start it like this, and it is very simple, this kind of drawing. You can draw anything of shape just by using your pen tools. Pen tools are very strong tools, and it is for drawing any kind of shape you like. After that, I think we should draw this area also, because this also I think belongs to the body. And remember again, we should divide them by layers. It is very important in our next lectures when we want to animate this character, then those layers will be very important for that. Okay, this is completed body also, and I think we should draw this also. Just we have a shape for that. I want to select ellipse tools, and very simply I can draw him here and draw one more. If I press shift, then it will draw very well, but if I don't press shift, then I can draw any kind of shape I want. But I want to press shift and press space to move it any other place while you're drawing it. When you want to leave it, then you will be able to resize it again. I want to use space and shift at the same time to draw it very well and in any location I want. And now I drawed him. It is completed. This is body, and after body we should draw hands. Let's make hand. First of all, I want to create new layer for hand. I want to make right hand. This is right hand. It should be above the body, because hand always, when we are using hand, then it is above the body. Then let's draw him. Select your pen tools, because it is also custom shape. We can't find any shape like this in our shape tools. Then select pen tools and start drawing him from this area. Here I can bring him this, and this is really simple. We can draw them very simply. Bring them here and bring it here. After that, I want to draw this area very simple, like this and this. Now you can see I completed our hand also, and then now you can see this is our hand. I want to lock body and face. Only hand should be unlocked, because now still we want to work on hand. What else? We don't want to draw this hand, because we should copy this hand. But if we copy it from as we copied from before, like by pressing shift, or if we copy him by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V, see, this is not the correct hand. See, it is not compatible in this area. If we want to do it like this, then it will be different from that. Then the easiest way to copy him and reflect him is to select both of them and right click, come to transform and to reflect. When we click on reflect, if the preview is not on, you can check preview also. You will be able to see the preview. I want to see we can reflect an horizontal direction or vertical. I want to select vertical because we want to reflect him in vertical direction. After that, you can select any angle you want. 90 degrees very well for this. And after that, I don't want to press OK. But if I press OK, see our right hand has been duplicated. But we don't want that. We want to copy him. Then let's Ctrl Z and select again, right click, transform and reflect. When we come to reflect and everything is okay, we want to copy. Now you can see this is the copy of that and it is reflected, and we can use him in this area. Just bring him here and that is the right place for him. But we can see both of them are in the same layer. That is a big problem, because when we want to use this hand, then it will animate automatically this hand also. We don't want them to be connected with each other. Then let's come and let's create other layer for left hand and bring him down like this. After that, I want to see these both are selected and these two are here. I want to select both of them and I want to drag and drop them in left hand layer, just like this. Now you can see this is different layer and this is different layer. I want to lock both of them because we don't want to work anymore for hands. We will work on it just some minutes later, but for now I think it is completed. And now let's start trying our face. I want to make new layer for that and rename it right foot and bring him down under the body. Here I want to draw these feet. Select your pen tools because these are also custom shape, and let's draw. Not here. Sorry for that. I want to draw him like this. Click here. Okay, just Ctrl Z sometimes. Click here. Click here and make it like this. And after that, we want to complete him. Just click outside. We don't want to select him and start it from this area. Bring him here. We can bring it here also to this area. It has been completed, and let's draw this. Like this. Now we can see we drawed foot also. Let's select both of them, and we want to reflect him as we reflected hand. Then let's right click on him and come to transform and reflect. After that, oh sorry, not rotate, reflect. We need transform and reflect. Everything is okay. 90 degrees and vertical. Preview is on. If preview is up, it's no problem. Just it is for preview. And after that, I want to copy and bring him to this side. Now I want to make new layer and rename this layer to left foot. As same as before, I want to bring this to not to 3 layers to left foot. Feet also completed, and we draw everything completely. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you learned something from the lecture. And if you want to know more about us, about masterclass, then you can find more information in the description below. If you want to know about 2D animation, you can subscribe this channel and watch more lectures. Or if you want to learn 3D animation or game developments, then you will find more links in the description below. To continue the series, this is the next part of the series, and this is the whole playlist of the series lectures. Thanks guys, and see you soon.